Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see a term called postponement or delayed differentiation, especially used in manufacturing environment to support the customer interest in terms of variety as well as reducing the inventory. This is a process of delaying the final stages of manufacturing until the last point in the line or upon ordering by the customer. So we will not finish the product till we receive the order. By maintaining the product in a generic form as far as possible on its journey through distribution and performing the final finishing near the customer, the seller generally increases the response service to the customers and minimize the overall total inventory cost in the entire supply chain system. There are various types of activity which we can perform by doing this delay. For example, you can do some minor assembly work, packing, labeling and coloring wherever possible, or some documentation. You can see a real example of postponement could be a mass customization in a paint booth. For example, earlier the paint dealers were keeping several colors, and now you can touch in a computer screen and get the required color. In fact, you can have a lot of variety of color possible. Maybe that can be an example for postponement or delayed differentiation. Here the objective is to double upon. One is reducing the overall inventory, and second one is offering the variety to the customer and also in the reduced lead time. Thanks for watching. Bye.